everyone. Today is the first day of 2026. Can't believe 2025 is done and dusted and the new year is here and I'm all for it. Today is going to be very chilled. Oh, I can't believe I'm actually matching with my office desk. I've got pink keyboard, pink mouse pad, pink mouse, and just a lot of pink. And a pink office chair as well. And I'm sort of wearing this dusty colored pink. And I've got pink shoes on. Well, not on. I went out for a walk, my first hour walk of 2026, just to get my adrenaline pumping, and I wore these beautiful sneakers from Skechers. I got it through Amazon and it's a collaboration with Spy Family, one of my favorite animes, and it's got Anya, who's this adorable girl in the anime series. She's got superpowers. And it's such a beautiful pair of shoes. But today's the first day of 2026, so it's pretty chilled. I woke up quite late. It's a day off for me. Tomorrow I have to go back to work. It's weird to be going back to work on a Friday. I didn't know what day it is until I checked my phone calendar. I was like, oh, what day of the week it is? Because yesterday was actually public service day for public servants or people who work in the public sector. So it was a day off for us, even though it was New Year's Eve and really isn't technically a public holiday, but it is for us. So I didn't know what day it was yesterday. And today's a public holiday, and yeah, you just lose track of time when you're relaxing. Anyway, woke up late, had my usual chamomile tea with honey, lemon, turmeric seasoning. I got some turmeric seasoning all over the floor by accident, so wonderful start to 2026, eh? Cleaned that off. It got on my arms as well, my shirt. I don't know if you can see the residue on my palm, but yeah, way to go starting 2026, huh? I've been trying to eat more healthily, so I usually start my mornings with water and chamomile tea. Then I went for a walk. Well, actually, before then, I did some reading. I'm currently still reading The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. I think I'm over halfway. Then after that, I went for a leisurely hour walk around the neighborhood. It's a little drizzly today, overcast. It rained a bit in the morning, but I don't think it'll be raining throughout the day. Anyway, back to these beautiful shoes that I got for myself a couple of months ago through Amazon. They came just before Christmas and I wore them once before today, and then I went out for a walk today and I got to wear these beautiful shoes. They are stunning. I don't know if you can see how exquisite the design is of Anya on the sides. It's on both sides. And then there's some embossing there, like stars. That's pretty cool. Ribbon lace. You can also swap it out with normal lace. There's the logo of Spy Family there. It's very comfortable to wear because they're Skechers shoes. And the back is Chimera. It's memory foam, so I don't know if you can see. Inside is very, very plush and very comfortable, and I just need that for my walks. I do a lot of walks around the neighborhood, so why not walk in fashion, hey? I don't have much planned for the rest of the day. Pretty chilled at home. I will be watching a movie. I was thinking what movie to watch for the first day of the year. Like, it really matters. Like, it's supposed to be momentous or symbolic of something, but you know what, I just settled on my best friend's wedding. I think it's a 90s film. It's got Julia Roberts in it. I saw the trailer. I was like, yep, something lighthearted, something that is romantic and doesn't require me to use my brain too much, because I'll be doing that a lot at work. Just something that I can just relax and watch. And I will make myself a charcuterie board to go along with it. Yesterday I went shopping in Newtown in one of my favorite organic whole food stores, and I got a bunch of things that I can snack away today. I got some vegan cheese. Going to be somewhat risky. I don't know how it will taste compared to normal cheese. I'm a big fan of truffle and triple brie cheese. Truffle, triple brie, and blue cheese. I love blue cheese. So that would be, and also apricot. So I love apricot because it's got that sweet flavor to it. But I don't know how I feel about vegan cheese. We'll have to find out. I'm gonna add some hot honey to it on water crackers. I've got a bunch of other things as well. I even bought Maggie beer ice cream from the Whole Foods store. I've never tried Maggie beer ice cream before, but the sound of lemon curd really called out to me. So I'm excited to try that for the first time. This year will be about trying new things like I did last year, based on my motto of being more courageous. Courage was my word for 2025, and I think I really embodied that well. I made strides to be more courageous, whether it's going on trips, trying new adventures with friends, making new friends at work, challenging myself in so many different ways. This year's motto will be assertiveness. I was listening to a podcast. I can't remember what podcast. I always listen to a lot of podcasts, so I can't remember which podcast it was. And the word just stood out to me when that person just happened to mention it. So I just want to be more assertive this year. Assertiveness, assertive. These are my motto for 2026. Anyway, all that's to say, I am excited for the year ahead and just being able to balance between quality time with family and friends, as well as much needed me time by myself, being able to rest and not feel guilty about resting. And vocalizing that, vocalizing my boundaries, vocalizing what I'm comfortable with, being a better communicator, especially when it comes to my feelings, my boundaries, and my values. So these are very important things, and I'm working towards being more assertive for 2026. Anyway, that's something else altogether. I was going on a tangent about all of that when I am really just going to show you guys in the month of January. Today's the 1st of January, so that's future planning, I guess. But what I've got on for today is relaxing after my walk. I'm going to do some Pilates later, or maybe some strength training, but it'll be mostly watching my best friend's wedding, maybe some other YouTube vlogs or Netflix shows, whilst relaxing and indulging in my charcuterie board. I'll show you guys what else is on my charcuterie board once I assemble everything together. First, let me take a sip of this non-alcoholic blood orange cider. It's nice. It's sparkly, fruity, refreshing. So let me just get a bit of chips. You can't convince me that truffle isn't the best flavor for almost anything, especially when it comes to chips. Yum. Okay, now here's what I'm excited to show you guys. No vegan cheese, thank you. Except vegan Parmesan isn't bad at all. I sprinkle that a lot on my pasta, so I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's the blue cheese. A slab of plant-based blue cheese. I dare anyone to be able to eat one mouthful, swallow it. I'll actually give anyone $20. Actually, $20 might not be enough because that is dank, and I love blue cheese. I love anything that's dank, like blue cheese. I love smelly tofu, which is a traditional Cantonese dish, tofu. I love truffle. So if I can, and kimchi of course, if I can stomach those and I can't even eat one little nibble of plant-based blue cheese, that thing has really gotten me stumped. Vegan blue cheese, 1. Mel, 0. Anyway, I think this is much better. So I've got water cracker, whipped goat cheese. Spread that in there. Nice and thick. It doesn't have a long shelf life, so I need to finish this within a week or so. And now some hot honey. I actually opened it just then, so it's never been opened. It's very gooey. It'll go so well with fried chicken, but that's for another time. Oh, it's quite thick actually. My bad, it is thick. Let me just dollop that on top. Okay. Generous serving, let's say. Okay. I hope it's not too spicy. We'll find out. That's what the cider is for, right? Okay. Yeah, it's definitely really nice. Okay, maybe next time less hot honey because it's very overpowering and you can barely taste the goat cheese. I like it. I like this on its own too. I think I like this as a dip to marinate, to make fried chicken with. Dip with fries. If I make fries, I can dip it with that. Okay. Let me try it again. This time with less hot honey. Little bit. Drizzle, drizzle. Maybe a bit more goat cheese. Okay. Second bite. See? Less. Less is definitely more. Wow. I think I nailed it. F you to the vegan cheese. You have been usurped by a new favorite. Water cracker, whipped goat cheese, and hot honey. That is the real MVP. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hey Noel. Hey everyone, today is Monday, the 5th of January, and it is the day of my birthday. I am at the Fullerton Hotel afternoon tea, kindly sponsored by my beautiful friend Noelle. We're having this delectable set of afternoon tea, including savory, scones, sandwiches, as well as sweets and unlimited drinks. I got myself a chai latte, and I am so excited to dig into the food and have a wonderful meal and a wonderful time with my closest friend. So today's my birthday, and I feel extra special and loved, and I hope that everyone is having a wonderful start to 2026. This is the salmon one? It's like a cake, almost.
Sandwich.
Yeah. And sometimes they do this to the fruit as well.
Next time she's here, let's ask her what this is.
Yes. And then they have the fish roll, right?
This
It's
one?
tough,
Yeah.
tougher than I thought. I thought it would be softer, but it's like, can you see how it's so tough that the fork doesn't even have to go
you're
through?
right. It's like a cake. Yeah, it's not a sandwich. Yeah, oh my god, I hope my stomach can deal with this. But I'm still gonna eat.
It's good. I can taste dill inside, which is perfect for salmon. So pretty. Good? With the soy sauce, it's better?
Yeah, and the orange really, I really like the orange.
It makes it more citrusy. I think dill. I love dill.
People go around touching knives.
So sideways like this is the best way.
the phone, you may put the light on